What's up everybody, Jason Page here. This is going to be a different video from what I normally share on this channel. It was an experience that I had and I just thought it would be cool to share with you guys. So I'm going to share this video with you. I'm going to give you a little background first of what actually happened so you can maybe understand a little bit better the video that I'm about to share. So recently I was at Duke University for their first ever light painting workshop. I'll be sharing all kinds of information about that in a vlog and all this stuff eventually down the line, but I've got a lot of stuff I got to get to before I can get to editing that. But with Halloween coming up, I wanted to share this one with you, this experience with you. So what happened was, this is about 2:30 in the morning, right after I got back from the workshop. I was laying down to go to sleep, and all of a sudden the light in the corner of the room starts flickering on and off. I wasn't asleep yet, but it kind of like woke me up, you know, because just the flickering of the light. And it was going on for maybe a minute or so before I started filming on my phone, just because I thought it was odd, thought it was weird. So it keeps going on, and then it starts going in my head. For those of you that may or may not know, my mom passed away a couple months ago, and I was very close with my mom. And one of the things that she always joked about, and also my grandmother joked about, is that they were gonna come back and haunt me one day, just and mess with me. So you'll understand the relevance of that when you see the video here coming up. But anyway, long story short, what happened was the light starts flickering on and off. My logical mind says that it was just a power surge or something. So I eventually get up, turn all the lights on in the room, and the only light doing this weird flickering is this one in the corner. So again, logical mind thinking it's just a short or something weird happening. So I go over to the light, bang on the light, it doesn't do anything. I bang on the light bulb, it doesn't do anything. And it never did it again after this situation. So I'll let you draw your own conclusions on what it could be. Again, I'm a logical person, not a real big believer in ghosts and that kind of stuff, but I know a lot of weird stuff does happen. But anyway, without further ado, check out this video just in time for Halloween.
If there's a ghost in here, say something. Oh, fucking hell. Are you kidding me? Okay. What the fuck is this? Mom? Are you messing with me? Mom, if that's you, light up the light right now. Okay. That was weird. Oh, Mom, are you messing with me? This is really weird. Mom. Mom, if that is you, light the light up right now. Alright? Nana, if that's you, light it up. Audrey? Okay. Anybody? You guys gone now? Oh, yes, that's really freaking weird. I don't know what to do about that. How the hell am I supposed to go to sleep now? I turn on this light, there's a damn ghost here. I'm gonna lose my shit. Okay, no ghost, no ghost. Okay. What's happening? What the hell's going on? How do you explain that? How the hell am I supposed to explain this? If it's a power surge, the other lights would be doing something weird. It's just this light. How the f am I supposed to go to sleep? What the f? What? Put on some pants in case I gotta run out of here. Alright. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, I don't know what the deal is with that, but I'm hoping that I'm still here in the morning. Or, well, it is the morning, but whatever. That was fucking weird. Alright, if you're a ghost, just be a nice ghost, please. You gonna do the light anymore, ghost? If I'm doing it anymore, we're done. Oh god. You gone? Did you move on? Did you go somewhere else? Did you move on, Mr. Ghost? Okay. I'm going to sleep now. Last chance, Mom. If that's you, do the light again. I'm going to sleep. Good night, Mom.